Hello, it's me again. I'm about to sing. Oh, excuse me, chills. About to sing Bruno Mars. It will rain. I love this song. I mean, I love Bruno Mars, but I love this song for real. But here I go. If you ever leave me, baby, leave some morphine at my door. 'Cause it'll take a whole lot of medication to realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, to realize all the sacrifices I'm making to keep you by my side, to keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day in the rain.